luggage. I've come with the most amount of luggage compared to everyone else. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I can't believe I'm saying this, but we are in Australia. Oh my god, this has been a long time coming. Australia has been on my list for so long, and specifically Australia in the summertime. So, in like November, December, when it's cold in most parts of the world, it's hot over here. I've been talking to Sydney Tourism for so long, and every time something or the other didn't work out, but this time we finally made it. I still am not like properly like well. I feel like I've not had fever, but my cold and cough and throat ache, headache, and all, it's still there. It's still not gone. So I've carried medicines with me, but it was Addie's birthday like 2 days back. The past few days have just been so hectic, and I know a lot of you wanted a vlog for Addie's birthday, but we didn't really vlog much because we had his brother and his friend surprise him. So we didn't really do vlog worthy things on his birthday. We went clubbing, and I couldn't vlog there because there was so much music playing and everybody was just dancing and all. And then we went for this VR gaming thing, and our phones were not allowed there, so we couldn't vlog anything. And of course the experience, like, because we were wearing those glasses and stuff, I anyway wouldn't be able to vlog. But the VR people at Zero Latency, they actually took videos for me on my phone. Like, they do that for everybody that goes there. When you're in the zone, it looks so funny because you're just walking in a empty room, but in the glasses that you're wearing, you see a completely different picture. So it was so funny to see those videos. This is the update. This is where I am. I'm in Australia. We are in Sydney with the Sydney Tourism Board. We just checked into our room, and I'm blown away. I'm literally looking at the sun setting. Time difference wise, this is 5.5 hours ahead of India. I think now it's 6:45 in the evening. I haven't had breakfast also on the flight because I was so sleepy. But I need to give you the room tour before the sun sets fully. Actually, I don't think one off also. I think this is the best hotel room I've stayed in. Not just the room, but also the view. I've never gotten both. I think I've either gotten a good view and a decent room, or a very good room and decent view. I think our luggage is here. One sec. Are you ready? This is the living room. Living room, guys. Imagine. We've got a couch, we've got a TV, and we've got. Oh my god. This view, there's a dining table, and there's a small bar, kitchenette, whatever area. But the view, oh my god. I'm not gonna speak. I'm just gonna let you see this. This is so pretty. The sun is just setting. And not just this, we also have the pool downstairs. This is what the room looks like. From here, if we go inside, on the right is the bedroom, and on the left we have the washroom. And even this has such a pretty view. So pretty. So we have the city this side, we have the whole ocean view that side. This, I think, is the Sydney Harbour. We have 2 sinks, and then we have the washrooms. This is the shower. It's stunning, like too beautiful. And then we have the business area. So pretty. Let me show you the bedroom. Again, the bed with this view. How beautiful. We are staying here for 6 days, and I think all the 6 days I'm going to think, oh my god, so pretty, oh my god, what a view, oh my god. यही सब करने वाली हूँ मैं
रोज करता हूँ ये तुझको देख के. Oh my god, so pretty, oh my god, so beautiful. मैं रोज करता हूँ तुझको देख के.
कैसे बैठे हो? ये मैनर्स है कोई? क्या है हमारे गुडी बैग में? लेट्स सी. Ooh, a Sydney cap.
मेरे को बहुत अच्छी लगी.
बंटी. ये क्या है? Licorice and chocolate. Oh my god, very very essential. A beach towel. Last time याद है हम बार्सिलोना में जब थे तब हम टावल खरीदे थे इतना महंगा. Ooh. Naked Sundays SPF 50 antioxidant body sunscreen. That's very essential. Oh. Water bottle. Maybe Sammy. Maybe margarita, lychee martini. Cocktail mixer है ये कि cocktail है? We were so hungry. सुबह से कुछ नहीं खाया है. I have ordered chicken and rice. Rice is just my favorite thing. And then Addie has ordered fish and chips, which looks very yummy actually. The sun has set. And this is our view. I think मैं 6 दिन यही चीज़ बोलने वाली हूँ over and over again. So I'm sorry in advance. It's the chair.
No.
Hey, it's not me.
It's you.
First thing मैंने आलू खा लिया है.
आलू के
7 on 10.
आलू के लिए.
हाँ.
नमक ज़्यादा इसलिए.
नहीं, मोटे हैं इसलिए.
Hey.
I like French fries जब वो. I like thin fries. Crispy. Yet soft.
क्या बोल रहे हो यार?
I think हमें agree करना चाहिए कि best fries मैकडोनल्ड्स के हैं. एक कैफे है, मेरे को नाम याद नहीं है, बट जब मैं LA गई थी एक कैफे में मैंने खाया था जिसका फ्राइज मैकडोनल्ड्स को भी बीट किया था. But that's it. But I am so excited about the food in Australia. I am a big MasterChef fan, especially MasterChef Australia. मतलब मैं सिर्फ वही देखती हूँ. In our itinerary there are so many exciting things, especially like around food. So I can't wait. First trial is this from The Crown. We just had dinner. We are about to unpack all of our stuff because we are here for a few days, so we can settle in and like keep things in place so that it's easier to get ready. And then I'm going to take a bath, and after that I don't know what the plan is, but let's see. Oi. Toiletries. All of my skincare. Good morning. Welcome to this is officially day 1 for us. We have quickly gotten ready, eaten breakfast and come down to the lobby, and I'm waiting for Addie. मैं फटफट भाग के नीचे आई हूँ, but then I forgot my phone, so Addie has gone up again to get my phone.
Hey, no paps. I'm sorry.
We are at the Harbour Bridge. It's behind us, and guys, I just learned that it takes 6 hours to climb the whole thing. So you can climb it if you want to do it halfway. I am zooming in, but you can see people climbing it, and the whole bridge to climb actually takes. See, people are still there near the flag also. Lag rahe colors. Woo! So pretty. We are actually going to the Opera Bar.
Let's go.
For lunch. And Addie is saying it takes 4 hours to climb the bridge. I don't know. but because it's summer, it's kind of booked. So we are not doing it this time. But we are going to the Opera Bar for lunch. We're just taking some pictures over here. The weather is so nice. I'll show you my outfit. This is my outfit for today. A cute corset, and we have a lot of walking to do. So my sneakers, of course. मेरा मेकअप अच्छा लग रहा है?
बहुत.
Thank you.
चलो.
Let's go. I think phone पे vlog करना better है because the colors are very beautiful and very true. I think to reality. मेरे वो कैमरा में
True नहीं, very close.
very close to reality, but true also. It's not exaggerated. It's not, fake. Quick outfit change. I don't know if you can hear me, but we have come for dinner. This is like our welcome dinner, and there's a lot of other global teams also. But we've come to Bondi Beach. It's a very famous beach in Australia. And the restaurant, I don't know if the restaurant is like a club, but they have a pool which is so cool, and you have to book in advance, I think, so that you can go and swim over there. My hair is going crazy because it's so windy, and I'm actually feeling cold because I'm wearing a satin like patla sa dress. And मुझे already ऐसा लग रहा है कि मैं tan हो चुकी हूँ. I'm sorry, I'm looking at myself, but yeah. But I cannot go in this water in this thund. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Good morning.
Good morning.
Ready for another day in Sydney. Oh, मैं तो दिखी नहीं थी. Hi. This is my outfit. We are heading for breakfast today. It's not in the hotel. We are going to a cafe called Bottega, and I'm not very hungry actually, but I don't mind a coffee. But I can't have coffee on an empty stomach, तो मुझे कुछ खाना पड़ेगा. मिस लियो. ब्रेकफास्ट टाइम पे मुझे लियो की याद आती है. व्लॉग और
हम समझने की कोशिश नहीं. यू कैन व्लॉग नो.
Vlog कर
माय फ्रेंड वाज डूइंग व्लॉग. इन फैक्ट ही अटैच्ड टू माय
व्लॉग नहीं व्लॉग. इफ आई इमीडिएटली टर्न इट टू यू, ये ना अपना ये थोड़ा एक्स्ट्रा टर्न होगा, फिर इट विल फेस यू.
या
द सेंसर आर लिटिल स्लो.
ये थोड़ा टोन स्टेबल है फॉर वेरी नेचुरल लाइक लुकिंग content.
It's not an adventure thing.
Yeah.
That's not an action cam, not at all.
In terms of other platforms, have you guys tried anything else? I know there's Instagram and YouTube, of course, but like now the podcast is all over. So you're doing any podcasts?
I finished.
I think
one
you're doing,
season.
na?
Yeah.
Haan.
Done podcasts.
I've done one season. I have a podcast with my sisters.
Let me find you on YouTube.
Bad guess.
Podcast वाला.
अलग-अलग है क्या?
Podcast
So
अलग
now you
है.
can YouTube have the same channel. Like you can have within the same
But
channel podcast
my
also.
YouTube is mine, and my sisters also are content creators / doing other things. So we
Yes,
decided
podcast
to
वाला पहले.
podcast का page separately.
It's super good.
Maybe you should
Yeah.
Very interesting topics.
तो हमेशा सुनता हूँ यार.
बहुत मजा आता है when I'm driving or doing something. When I'm doing my nails, मैं 2-2 घंटे nails के लिए बैठती हूँ. I just put something and मैं बैठ जाती हूँ. Yes, thank you.
It's so colorful.
Looks so good. मैं H&M गई थी to find something. I needed one pair of bottom for a top that I have, but I didn't find anything in H&M. And now I have come to Sephora.
मैंने अपने आप के लिए बर्थडे गिफ्ट लिया है.
New camera. New fun camera. We have made it for lunch. We are at this Indian restaurant today, which is called Don't Tell Auntie, and they have literally opened their restaurant on their off day just for us. That's very sweet of them.
खाने के टाइम तक तो मिलेगा. मैं कैमरा ही लेती हूँ.
Coffee chart, here you go.
कौन चाहिए?
So good.
So yeah, आप ऐसा
My God.
इससे तो खाने नहीं हो जा रहा है.
हमने इतने स्टार्टर खाए हैं और ये देख के ही मेरा पेट भर चुका है.
Maybe he celebrated too much. He's just keeping silent. So this is our museum, and this is Bradman's, and then you'll see a number, and the Bradman's will be.
He scored 200 in a one-day international about 10 years before any of the men managed it.
Wow, that's great.
So you down as the pitch. And so that was used up till the 1920s. We've got our heavy roller down in the basement, which I'll take you down and show you. Well, Jordan got the scoreboard in a Hollywood movie for us this year. Yeah. So it's got the big business class seats out the front. Prime ministers and ambassadors and all that sort of stuff here on day one of the test match.
Good morning. Oh, better. We are on the ferry right now. We are going for. Sorry. It's a new day and we are on the ferry. We are going to kayak. I'm very excited. The last time we went kayaking was in Costa Brava when we were in Spain. We had booked a day trip for one day, like a short, not even one day, but half a day to go and do like a little hike and kayak, and it was a very intense kayak experience. I didn't expect it to be so intense, but this one they've told us that it's very like beginner friendly, so I'm happy about that. We're just our boat is leaving. Bye. Ta-ta. We're going to Manly Beach. We are going to Manly Beach. Agla station, Manly Beach. So we are doing a kayak and then we are gonna get down. Oh, कहाँ जाके बताती हूँ. Kayakungi buddy. मैं तो टी शर्ट में जा रही हूँ बिकॉज इट्स अ बिगिनर लेवल काyak.
खुशी कितनी
I
हुई है
look so
beginner
funny.
level पे?
ऐसे बात करना पड़ेगा. मैं फनी लग रही हूँ. बट गाइस दिस इज द काyak आई वांटेड टू डू इन कोस्टा ब्रावा एंड वो एकदम ही एडवांस लेवल था. एडवांस से भी एडवांस था वो. बट नाउ दिस इज द बिगिनर फ्रेंडली kayak which I'm very happy with.
चलो इसे टाइट करना दो बस.
How rude are they? How rude. बस. Oh my god, मेरी टी शर्ट कैसी अजीब सी हो गई है अंदर से. अगर ये उड़ गई ना कैप मैं बहुत रोऊंगी. बस टाइट है. Ow. We are done kayaking. We're doing like a short. No. We're doing like a short 10-minute walk. Everybody is still left behind, but Addy is here with our guide, and he just told us that we can possibly spot lizards and snakes, and I'm a little creeped out by it before we see anything also. But the kayak was fun. It was actually not very stressful. It wasn't itna hectic also. Can you hear this? My God, मुझे वापस जाना है. सुनाई भी दे रहा है इतना. This is too much.
Well, what's nice is like where we are now. This is old land that was the same probably 1,000. SOS.
This was great.
Yeah.
We have lots of food on the table.
That's a massive.
Everyone's hungry. I'm so sleepy. Oh my God. We've actually come to a gelato place and इसके बाद हम जाएंगे वापस in the ferry, then take a cab and go back to our hotel, get ready and again leave for dinner. I'm not hungry ऐसे तो, but gelato मैं मना नहीं कर पाई. People have gone पीछे से. Wow. So fancy.
I get yours.
My gelato. ओहो, behave करो ना थोड़ा सा. Taste test. I obviously went for pistachio. Oh my God. So good. So good. Guys, if I'm tired of this fucking exposure. Sorry. I look thoda crazy, but melt हो रहा है. Oh fuck. इतनी जल्दी अभी तो बाहर है यार. मैंने बहुत छोटा कप सिलेक्ट किया सोच के कि काम आएगा, बट ये
मेरा सोचना भाई इतना टेस्ट करने के लिए लिया था कि 2-3 चम्मच दे देंगे मेरे को.
तूने मेरे से भी कम लिया था.
हाँ.
In the overflow करके दिया. Sorry, what I was saying is if you've never tried pistachio flavor yet, I don't know if everybody will like it, but it's so good. Hi, can you see me? We were at an art gallery and now we've come to buy some groceries. I just got the pink ramen and they also have Tim Tams here. I actually don't remember if I've ever tried Tim Tams. अगर किया भी होगा तो it's not in the recent 5-6 years maybe. मुझे याद नहीं है. So I'm thinking if we should get one, but लेना भी है तो फिर कौन सा flavor? Oh my God, there's so many. I think original should be the safe bet. Let me ask Addy. Let's see, chocolates में इनके पास कुछ अलग है क्या? ओह, किटकैट के बहुत फ्लेवर्स होते हैं बाहर. ओह, मिल्का भी है. स्ट्रॉबेरी क्रीम है ये या शॉर्ट केक है? आज तो बहुत मीठा खा लिया. I'm not in the mood of chocolate. That's why I've got ramen. Ew, mint and berry. नहीं सॉरी, ऊपर वाला berry.
Cinnamon भी देख लिया.
Day 4 है?
हाँ.
Day 4 instead नहीं March.
कल के काया के बाद इतने ज्यादा सोर हो गए ना मेरे आर्म्स.
मेरे पैर भी बहुत दुख रहे हैं.
पैर से ज्यादा मेरे आर्म्स बड़े दुख रहे हैं.
But we are on our way. I am actually very hungry. I woke up at 6, which India time I think is 12:30 or 1 in the morning. मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा है वापस जाके क्या जेट लैग होगा कि हम रात को फिर से उठेंगे और रूटीन खराब ही होने वाला है. और या मैं और हाई होप्स लेके आई थी कि मेरी रूटीन अच्छी होगी वापस जाके, that I'll start waking up early, but it's still थोड़ा रिवर्स. I am not able to figure out exactly क्या होगा.
आउट ऑफ कॉन्टेक्स्ट बात है. जैसे तो हमेशा से पूछती है ना कि ऐसे कौन से वर्ड्स हैं तो मेरे को मुंबई या फिर तेरे साथ रह के जो मेरे नॉर्मल वर्ड्स की जगह मैं वो बोलने लग गया हूँ. तो उसमें से दुख गए एक वर्ड है कि मैं लाइफ में दुख गए नहीं बोला. मैं लाइफ में बोला कि मेरे हाथ दर्द हो रहे हैं.
दुख गए.
दुख गए हाथ तो मैंने कभी जिंदगी में नहीं बोला है.
मेरे पैर दुख गए.
हाँ, ये सब मैं कभी नहीं बोलता था. तो मैं बोलता दर्द हो रहा है मेरे पैर में या फिर मेरे पेट दर्द हो रहा है. ये दुख रहे हैं मैं कभी मतलब
दुख रहे
ये
हैं.
उसका एग्जाम्पल है जो
हाँ.
मुझे एकदम से अभी रियलाइज हुआ.
हाँ, मैंने रैंडमली आडी को पूछा था like what are the words that you use now because of me or because of living in Bombay, जो वो यूजुअली दिल्ली में या ऐसे अपने लाइफ में यूज नहीं करता था पहले. बॉम्बे स्लैंग या My slang,
तो मेरे
either
हिसाब से
way.
मैं नहीं यूज करता हूँ, बट छोटे छोटे वर्ड्स हैं जैसे ये, इसकी वजह से जो मुझे
Sorry, तो फ्रेम में निकला.
छोटे छोटे वर्ड्स हैं जो इसकी वजह से मुझे थोड़े वो हो जाते हैं, बट मुझे अभी भी नहीं, मतलब ऐसा लिस्ट नहीं है बस.
एक
बट
और
जब मैं
word
बोलता हूँ क्या
नाश्ता.
नाश्ता तो मैं कभी बोलता ही नहीं था, इसका मजाक उड़ाता हूँ. नाश्ता क्या होता है? नाश्ता होता है.
नाश्ता होता है,
नाश्ता
बट
क्या होता है?
मैं हमेशा
मतलब इसमें-
नाश्ता बोलती हूँ. मुझे नाश्ता खाना है. ऐसे तो जो और सोचेगा तो काफी वर्ड्स आएंगे वैसे
वो ऑन द
दिमाग में.
स्पॉट ही मेरे को ऐसे याद आएंगे, ऐसे सोच के याद नहीं आते.
हाँ.
क्योंकि मुझे रियलाइज नहीं होता ना मैं कब क्या बोल रहा हूँ उस वे में.
But we are actually walking on our way to have breakfast with koalas. ये मैंने कभी नहीं सोचा था मैं करूंगी लाइफ में. ब्रेकफास्ट विथ मतलब दे आर नॉट गोना सिट लाइक टेबल के सामने हमारे साथ खाना खाने के लिए. दे आर गोना डू देयर ओन थिंग, बट वी आर जस्ट गोना हैव, इट्स नॉट ब्रेकफास्ट विथ koalas, breakfast around them.
So just to start off, I'd like to take a moment to acknowledge the traditional custodians of the land that we're on here in Sydney, the Gadigal of the Eora Nation. I'd like to pay my respects to elders past and present. So we will head on through the zoo. It's going to be about an hour's tour, and at the end of that tour, you guys will end up on our koala rooftop where you'll be able to sit down and have some breakfast. Now you'll see where he's sitting at the moment. And our two keepers and I'm up in the trees. He does come down to the ground as well, but they are quite agile and very well balanced moving about in the trees. You can see those nice long claws on his feet. Our berries. So here in Australia, we are very well known for our venomous snakes. We have some of the most venomous snakes in the entire world here in Australia.
No snakes.
Now,
People are all here with me,
we do only
and all the people that want to see the snake are there.
So these, we have about 3 to 4 kangaroo species here in Australia, but upwards of 30 species of wallabies. So there's some of these kangaroos that you can't see their house, and that is because we have no showing in this space. So we have all female, no male. Carnivorous species as well. You've got some barbs up in the tree, darling. Now what? No, Nami. Hello, darling. So they're also a carnivory good at being still. In your own photos. Finding their food and also burrowing into the banks of those systems.
My name's Carly Kwong, and I work for the Powerhouse Parramatta, which is a beautiful museum just one suburb away, and it's to be the largest museum in New South Wales. And part of my role with the museum is helping to make connections and relationships in the local community. And as you may be aware, the Western Sydney community where we are is the fastest growing, most diverse community. It's a beautiful place filled with lots of heart and soul. And this is where my beautiful friend Bhavna comes into it. Bhavna is like the Powerhouse's Indian cultural advisor. So we've been doing a lot of collaboration with Bhavna.
To ghee, we spend more on ghee and less on oils. Pongal, I tell the chef that there is no pongal, it's all ghee. So this is famous, like the kids love it. And even adults, like if I come, we did it. That is on the contrary, it's the Mysore masala dosa with all that red spicy chutney in it, and then it's the potato masala in it. So they both are like.
पहले तो बिना कैमरा के मेरे को सुना, फिर मैं एकदम कैमरा ऑन होती मैं गाना गाने लग जाऊंगा.
क्या मैं आपकी बात कर रही हूँ कैमरा पे, या हम लिटिल इंडिया आए हैं मैं उसकी बात कर रही हूँ. इसको लगता है कि एक सेकंड, आई विल कम बैक टू दैट. बट अभी हम आए हैं लिटिल इंडिया. मोस्टली व्हेन यू ट्रैवल अब्रॉड यू डोंट गेट गुड इंडियन फूड. ऐसा होता है कि इंडियन रेस्टोरेंट्स मिलते हैं बट आपको ऐसे बहुत एवरेज खाना होता है. हम भी बहुत बार कितनी जगह गए हैं और हम ऐसे एंड टुवर्ड्स द एंड ऑफ द ट्रिप वी वांट टू ईट इंडियन फूड एंड वी एंड अप एट अ रेस्टोरेंट एंड इट्स ऑलवेज लाइक barely decent. So this time in Australia, sorry, train passing. But this time when we've come, to Australia. They really wanted to showcase how versatile Indian cuisine is here. And guys, I'm not exaggerating, and I'm not saying it just because I have to say it. I don't even have to say it actually. They've just taken us to Indian restaurants to see what we think, and it is so good. I have actually been very excited for food in Australia because I love MasterChef. I've been watching MasterChef for so many years, and a very renowned chef actually, Kylie Kwong, who is right behind me, is doing this tour with us, and she's taking us to different restaurants in Little India, which she herself has explored, and she loves the food there. So she's taken us, we've tried 2 places so far, a North Indian place, a South Indian place, and I, being a South Indian, I'm telling you, their dosa, the sambar was amazing. It was so good. And then we also had shira, which I don't know what were they calling this in the restaurant?
Bafna, what is this?
Rava.
What is
Rava.
Rava Kesari.
Rava Kesari. I've never called it that. I've called it shira since childhood, and this is so good. Like, it's as good as it's made at my house. So tasty. I'm so happy actually that we're doing this tour because I love food, and especially Indian food, so we can never complain. I didn't expect Australian Indian food to be as good as Indian food. Do you know what I mean? Do you know what I mean? Bas. Now we are reaching the last place, which is called Chatkas, and हम यहाँ पे I think snacks करने वाले हैं थोड़ा सा. Not इतना heavy, but everywhere else we've just eaten like a few bites just to get the taste, and it's been amazing so far.